Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add stop in Apple Maps. For example, you wanted to go on a specific place from your home address or to the location you are right now. First, all you're going to do is to select the specific place, and then it'll turn into this page wherein you can see the directions. Now, all you need to do here is to select these three lines and then drag it to switch the starting point and the destination. For example, this is your location and you want to stop directly onto, like for example, on Sequoia National Park, all you need to do is to select on Add Stop, and you can choose this three lines and dragging it onto the top or onto the bottom. Now, if you want to add another stop onto your route, all you need to do is to select on Add Stop. It'll automatically be added under the Sequoia National Park. Now, if you want to go on to these stopping direction before the national park, you can drag it upwards and automatically switch your stop onto your apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.